this model is very simple, is very general, is applicable to many countries, but it's highly significant despite its simplicity, despite its being general. And the reason is in 1960s and 1970s, this model was considered a conventional way to illustrate the chronology of a policy process, and it is used for this purpose until now, and it has provided a major base for political theory, and it continues to provide a base for political theory until now. So it is very important. It has dominated the public policy research and public policy practice and public policy advocacy for a very long time, and it has guided public policy research, practice and advocacy in many countries. So it has been highly significant model in public policy. The second thing in this model, and you will notice when you conduct your studies and researches, is a source of organizing and systematizing public policy knowledge. When you study public policy or when you want to evaluate public policy, you need a model to organize your research. You need a model to see why a particular policy was adopted at a particular time, which actors influenced this policy, what politics did they have, and if you follow this model, this will help you organize your findings. So this model has a very important role to play in your researches, in research reports, in your dissertations, and if you are familiar with this model in detail, you can benefit from it a lot. Another aspect of this model is that since this was a basic model developed by Harold S. Laswell, this has been adapted, this has been refined, this has been extended by many scholars of public policy. And in future, there will be many scholars who will actually adapt this model, they will refine it, and they will extend it to explore new possibilities in public policy research. And I want to mention these scholars who have developed variations of this model. They are Brewer and De Leon. De Leon is a very important scholar in public policy, has written a number of very important articles and books on public policy, and he has developed this model. May and Wildavesky. Wildavesky is very important scholar in public policy, and he has also adapted and extended this model. Very important work if you read Wildavesky's work on public policy. Anderson again is a very important scholar of public policy, has written a lot on public policy. His textbooks are very important textbooks in public policy. They are widely read, and he also used this model and extended it. And lastly, I would like to mention Jenkins. He's also a very famous scholar in public policy, and he has also used and extended, refined this model. So if we summarize all this discussion, we will find that this model is highly significant, very useful, and very powerful, and it can help us a lot in designing our research studies and plan policy advice.